This is our family room. It's a different finish and a very different style from the rest of the rooms, and yet it's still part of the valet system. And the cabinets in this family room provide a lot of storage, and they solve 3 issues that we had, and I'm going to show you those issues. Like most houses, we have a vacuum cleaner, and it's always an issue. Where do you store the vacuum cleaner? Well, when you have valet custom cabinets, we can design a cabinet just for a vacuum cleaner. This one holds the vacuum cleaner, also holds the ironing board, and bags for the vacuum and spray for the iron. It also holds the iron, and then in the extra space we actually have photo albums. I showed you the rollout trays in our pantry, but rollout trays are also useful for storing other things besides food. And here in our family room, we've got rollout trays for storing extra dishes that we bring out whenever we have guests, things for appetizers or fancy meals. And those really come in handy. One of the issues we had to deal with in this room was the back of the fireplace. There's a fireplace that's in the living room, which looks great, but the back of it looks really ugly. We had to do something to cover it up. So we covered it up with valet custom cabinets. So even though this cabinet here looks like it's really big, it might be a side tilt wall bed or something, actually it's quite shallow because it's over the back of the fireplace. But it's a great place to store DVDs and CDs. It could also be used to store books or glasses, a lot of different things. But the main thing is it solved a huge problem we had in the room, and it looks really good. The cabinets that I've shown you in my home are in 3 different styles and finishes because they have been designed and built over a period of 20 years. However, all the space-saving solutions that I've shown you are available at Valet, and they can be produced in any style, ranging from traditional to very modern. When you come to our showroom in Campbell, you will see that Valet has the expertise and versatility to complement any style of decor. I would love to show you how Valet can improve your home with beautiful cabinets that help you to stay organized. Thank you for watching.